This is a video just to show you how to clean up as much of the disk as possible, especially after the machine's been running for a while. There's two different options that we usually use. One of them is to do a disk cleanup. And so on Windows 11 they've taken this feature out of the settings here, but you can always search for it just by typing in disk cleanup. And it'll do a pretty good job at cleaning up some of the main things. And there's two parts to this. If you have a look here, you'll see there's the basic cleanup of any downloaded programs, temporary files, recycle bin. I usually tick all of those, let it run, clean everything up. But the second part of this, and we'll run that again in just a minute, and I'll show you the difference here. Just clean up. And if you go to clean system files, what you'll see is a whole stack of different files relating to Windows system files as well. And you can clean those up. System restore, if you've got it turned on, and shadow copies is there. But one of the other things that you can do, and this is one that you can do, as I said, once the machine's been off for a while, running for a while, is go in here. This is the link, the official link from Microsoft. But what you can do is go in here, open up a PowerShell or command prompt, and you do need to run as administrator. And you run this Dism command. So Dism online cleanup image, StartComponentCleanup, and ResetBase. What this does is actually resets all of the updates, so you cannot go backwards after you've done this. Good and bad, but it does clean up a lot of the space on the system. And you simply just run that, and it, depending on how fast the disk is and how old the machine is, this might take 5 minutes, it might take 20 minutes to run through. But that's a good way to clean up, and sometimes you can clean up 5 or 6 or 7 gigabytes worth of data in there. But that's two easy ways to clean up some of the data on the disk, especially for the size that Windows is these days. Hope that helps, and please like and subscribe if you enjoy this content. Thank you.